Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Maria Joribi. I am 40 years old, married with 4 children. My 2 sons, ages 18 and 11 years old. My 2 daughters, ages 15 and 8 years old. I am the third in the family. I am a high school graduate. I have a working experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 6 years. My main duty is baby care and child care. I also do household chores such as cleaning, washing, ironing, marketing, and cooking. I decided to work abroad to give a better future to my children. And I choose Hong Kong because it offers a higher salary. I am a hardworking, honest, and jolly person. And if you will give me an opportunity to work to your family, I promise that I will do my best to be a good helper, and I will love your family as my own, especially your kids. God bless and thank you.